How are you? I am fine. I am Ataur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Nisindar Fakiruddin School and College. Welcome to you online class. Today we will know about assignment. Assignment is familiar word to the university students, but it seems a new topic for us. Here I kids 3 sheets based on the assignment. At first, I draw to your attention the cover page of the lesson plan. Here, assignment Nisindar Fakiruddin School and College, subject English, name class 6, section, role, teacher name, submit date. You must fill up the form or cover page according to your information, and its submitted date must be referred by the teacher or other. Now we will go what is assignment. It seems to be new. I am read out the common characteristics of a assignment. Assignment is a creative and analysis writings. It is writing clearly. The writer gives the gist of the story. We can use A4 size and write on one side. Assignment present a practical notion of our society. The writer collects data from internet, newspaper, book, lecture, nature, etc. It maintains index, introduction, description and conclusion. Assignment present merit and demerit of the topics. Finally, it preserves in a file for the future generation. Here, the theme of this writing assignment, we find here some practical notion of this world that is happening or going to running. Teacher fixed you a topics and you will write on the topics. You can help to write this assignment from different sources of the information like newspaper, journal, magazine, nature, so on. Now we will go the topics of our assignment. Here, going to a new school, it is the topics of our writing assignment. It is taken from the text book, lesson 1. Keyword: interest, attractive, outer, late, sit, place, warm, ear touching, stay, live, friendly, good, excited, glad, gist, summary. Those are the common words of the text. If we go through the word, we must guess the meaning or the summary of the text. What is saying the writer through the text? Now I am trying to depict the summary or the gist of the text. going to a new school. A new school is a new experience for everyone's life because it comes only one time for a life. The speaker of this text is going to school with his father with rickshaw. Here you can add it your personal experience that is happening at first day to your new school. You can go to school, rickshaw, bus, train, launch as a situation cover. By the by, the speaker of this story, he reached the school 15 minutes late. Then he find all the students are sit in the room. They were taking to each other, and a teacher was making something before them, and he entered into the class. The teacher helped him to take the seat. He sit down here, and the teacher call out his name from the register. He find all of the students are friendly to each other. They help him to take the seat and supply the sheet and other, that is class related materials. At the first day, he able to attract the heart of the student and make a place of their mind for long time. Eventually, the class is finished, is come to the home, and is reflect all of the feeling from the corner of his mind again and again. That is makes him very excited. Thus, this text is contain the characteristics of a student life. You can go through the text and guess the maximum notion of the text that is taken to write the assignment. No more today, we will meet future to a new topics. Thank you very much.